Good morning everyone. I hope all of you are fine. And how is your study going on? All of you should study by yourself and should study nicely at home. No one should tell you to study because you people are in class 10. You will be appearing for board exam, okay? So today let us start about the topic more about salts. Already we learnt about salts. We know that salts are formed by the reaction between acids and bases, okay? Now and you people knows that salts are neutral, okay, but now we will learn more about salts. Okay, let us take some examples of salts like sodium sulfate is a salt which is formed by the acid sulfuric acid and the base sodium hydroxide. Similarly, these are certain examples of salts. So potassium sulfate is formed by the acid sulfuric acid and base potassium hydroxide. Similarly, these all, okay. So you should know the different types of acids and bases present in different types of salts. Now today we will learn about a new topic called family of salts. We know that salts are formed by the reaction of acids and bases, okay, and salt contains both positive and negative radicals or charges. Am I clear? For example, if you consider sodium chloride, it contains the positive radical or the ion Na plus and negative radical or anion Cl minus. Now on the basis of these positive or radicals or ions and negative radicals of ions, salts are categorized into different family. If two salts have same positive or negative radicals or ions, they are called to be of same family. Or if salts are formed by the reaction of same acid with different bases or same bases with different acids, they are said to be of same family. For example, if you consider this salt, sodium chloride, sodium sulfate, sodium nitrate, sodium carbonate, here you can see that sodium ion is the positive radical or the charge which is common and which is same. So they are belong to sodium family. And if you consider this salt, sodium chloride, ammonium chloride, calcium chloride, potassium chloride, etc., you will see that here the chloride which is the negative radical or the ion is same in all the salts. Thus they belong to the chloride family. So in this way you can find the family of salts. Next we will learn about pH of salts. We know that salt is neutral and it is formed by the reaction of acid and base, and the reaction is called neutralization reaction. But now you will come to know that salts can be neutral also, acidic also, basic also, okay. If the pH of the salt is 7, it is considered to be neutral salt and it is formed by the reaction between strong acid and strong base. That means if you take strong acid and strong base, it will completely react and it will give us neutral salt having pH 7. And if you take a strong acid and if you take a weak base, then what will happen? You will get a salt which will be acidic and its pH will be less than 7. And if you take a salt having weak acid and strong base, then you will get a basic salt having the pH more than 7. Okay, so these are the examples of certain salts having the pH value and whether they are acidic, basic or neutral. So if you consider ammonium chloride, which is acidic and its pH is 6, these are neutral, these two are acidic, this one is basic, this one is again basic, and this one also basic. Now we will see the acids and bases present in these salts. So ammonium chloride is a salt formed by the strong acid hydrochloric acid and weak base ammonium hydroxide. So it will give us a acidic salt. Okay, sodium chloride will give us a neutral salt sodium chloride because both are strong. Here you will get a neutral salt because both are strong. Here also you will get neutral salt because both are strong. Here you will get acidic salt. These two are acidic salts because sulfuric acid is a strong acid, but these two are strong bases. Now sodium acetate is a basic salt because here we have taken strong base, but this one is weak acid, so this salt will be basic. Okay, sodium acetate, this is basic. Now sodium carbonate, if you take, this one is a basic salt because this is a strong base and this one is carbonic acid is a weak acid. Am I clear? And if you take sodium hydrogen carbonate, this one also a basic salt, and here we have taken the strong base sodium hydroxide and weak acid carbonic acid. Okay,